Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's session where we will do gentle asanas which help to increase flexibility, improve mobility, strengthen muscles, reduce pain associated with arthritis, and improve overall joint health. Bring your feet together. We will do Ardha Chakrasana. Start raising your right hand away from your thighs. Come up to 90. Now turn your palms towards the ceiling. Inhale, stretch. Press your feet into the earth. Reach your fingertips up towards the ceiling. And as you breathe out, breathe in. Completely breathe out. You can stay here. Inhale. Start coming up. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling and slowly bring it down. Turn and drop it down. Notice how the right side feels compared to the left. Inhale. Bring both your hands forward. Right hand behind your waist. Left over your right shoulder. Inhale. And exhale as you twist. Look over your right shoulder. Stay here. Breathing in and breathing out. One more. Inhale. Come forward. Now bend your right knee. With your left hand, grab your right knee, turn and twist. Vakrasana. Inhale. As you exhale, just focusing on twisting, bringing your shoulders to point in one direction. Breath in. Breathe out. Release. Hold and go into a squat. 1. Up. Go down. 2. Up. Be careful. You can always hold a chair or do it against the wall. 3. Up. Then bring your hands beneath your thighs. Chin on the mat or forehead. Point your toes away from you towards the wall behind you. Squeeze your glutes and lift it up. Again, I'm not locking my knee. Knee is soft. And down. And down. If you can, bring both your feet together. Raise. 3. Pointing your toes away from you, squeezing your glutes. 2. And 1. Drop it down. To rest on your belly. Bringing your palms beneath your shoulders. Elbows close to your body. Legs as close as you can keep. As you breathe in, just come to a point where you start noticing some discomfort. Stay there. Breathe in, exhale through your mouth or your nose. Just letting those muscles relax. And then from there you're going slightly higher, just about a millimeter higher. Stay either in your low cobra, baby cobra here, or high. Breathe in, breathe out for 2 to 3 counts and drop it back. Breath in, reach your hands up. Breathe out, forward fold. Again, inhale, move as far behind as you can. Again, breath in, up, breathe out, forward fold, and back. 2.
Gentle movements help stimulate blood circulation, improving joint lubrication, reducing inflammation, and supporting joint health.
Legs nice and wide. Stack your palms one over the other. Rest your forehead. Breathe in, breathe out. Lie down in the center of the mat. Legs to either side. Rest your hand either on your belly or on the side. It's completely up to you. Stay here, noticing the rise and fall of your abdomen. Shifting your awareness to your breath. As you breathe in, push your belly up towards the ceiling, and as you breathe out, completely exhale through your mouth, letting your whole body sink into the mat. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback or if you have any questions with regards to arthritis and yoga in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video is helpful to somebody you know, please share. Namaste.